Hello, it's Carla from Scrap and Create, and I wanted to come on real quick. I just finished these folios up with their gift boxes. We're getting ready to leave for Christmas. In a few hours, I'm still in my pajamas. I haven't even packed, but I wanted to get these recorded because once I give them, they're all gifts. I'll never see them again, and I just love them all. So I want to show you what I made, and I will give you links on how to. I will do a full tutorial on how to make one of these, but let me show you what I've done. So let's start with the first one. So I got this idea of making these little folios. They're inside these little gift boxes. The folio was from Party Planner, Paperie, Letty, and I will have a link in the description box below. Real easy folios to make. I modified it somewhat and made it a lot more complicated, but that's just me. Take you 15 minutes to make hers. Took me a lot, 8 to 10 hours, but that's me. And I'll give you a link to Wendy at Village Card and Crafts. She has this great little tutorial on how to make these gift boxes for any size gift box that you want. So I just followed her. She has a PDF on how to do the measurements, and it's real easy to follow. Of course, I modified it and made it much harder than it should be too. But let me just start with this first one. So this was using Graphic 45 Christmas Magic. I had some scraps left over from a long time ago. I just love this paper, and I thought I wanted to do something with it. So made this as the gift box. You can see it all the way around. And the folio sits inside. So just pop this out. Now this folio measures, they all measure about the same. I think it's 6.5 by 8 1/8. So basically you're using 8-inch paper. So you can, if you have 8-inch paper pads, this would work great. So this is the front. Very pretty simple. Magnetic closure. Get this out of the way. And you open it up and you have these notches here. So remember, those notches tell you it's going to open up. So here you have this space with one of the cards, tuck spot. Open this up. Here you have a pocket on this side. And I just made a little card here, and I stuck in a Christmas thing that we just got. A Christmas card that we just got from the family. Put that in there. Have this open space with those cutie little cherubs. I just love those cherubs. And you have another tuck spot up here for a photo. Close this. Open this. Have another envelope with some more cuties. Little photo mats go in here. And this back side, you have this from the collection and another photo mat, another little card, journaling card. So that was the first one I made. This one's pretty simple. It's got a 1/4 of an inch spine. Doesn't hold a lot, but you can probably get a good 15 photos in here, 4x6 photos, maybe more. I haven't really tried it out. I really haven't had time. So this one goes back in here. I got to put some tissue paper in there. That one's ready to go. And then this one is using Ciao Bella, Letters to Santa, or Dear Santa, I think. And another one, and I don't remember the other one. I should put something down here, but I've run out of time. I wanted to put a sentiment here. Let's see, would that work? Merry Christmas to all. Something like that, but that's probably, that might work, but I'm not going to put that there. But here's the box for this one. And let me get this one out. Here's the back side. Same thing, same concept. magnetic closure. Open this up. Have your little tabs here. So this one opens up and you come to this pocket here. You have a photo mat and a little journaling card. And then here was a Christmas card, photo card that we got. It's going to the recipients. And here's a little place for photos. Here's a little tuck spot here with a little journaling card. And a photo mat and this little tuck spot here. Another little photo, 2x3 photo. So this closes, this opens up. Have another pocket here, a photo mat in here, a little journaling card goes in there, and another little tuck spot pocket, photo mat that goes there, and then this all closes up. Oops, let me get that straight. So that was number 2. They look totally different using different paper. So this is more classic Christmas. And then the recipient of this one is a college student on her first year. So I had Stamperia Sir Vagabond in Japan and Stamperia Oriental Garden, and I love this paper. I just finished this like 20 minutes ago. It needs something here. I don't have time to put something there. I just ran out of space. But this paper, I mean, it's just beautiful, and I figured out how to make the box. And this box is perfect. I love this box. So in this one, I actually made this one bigger. I increased the spine, and in all of mine, I used black construction tape so that spine is reinforced, and it looks gorgeous. And here's the back side. If it comes, let it. If it goes, let it. And so the adventure begins in college. We've all been there. At least some of us have. It's an adventure. Wherever you go, there you are. Yes, indeed. Since I have a little bit more space, what I did on this one, on the front panel, I added a scored pocket, and I made just a mini, oh my God, what is this called? A mini little booklet. Oh, it's been a long night. Here's a photo of the recipient that stays in there. Adventure awaits you. So it's a real simple 3-hole pamphlet stitch. And then I just put some sentiments in there. Be brave with your life. And some little tuck spots on the front and the back. So that just fits out front here. Love that paper. This opens up. Look at this spread of this beautiful paper. Oh my God. Tuck spot here, and then these beautiful journaling cards. I mean, oh my gosh, I just love these. Centerpiece here. This closes. Then you come to this part, notch, open this up. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Another pocket with some more beautiful journaling cards. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So those go in here. And the recipient can put whatever they want. Photos, mementos, whatever they want can go in here. And I put this Japanese lady on the back side. I just thought she was so beautiful. And oh my gosh, I just love this. I wanted to keep this for myself, but I will have to make another one. I just love this one. So this goes in its beautiful box. I must say, beautiful box. And it's ready to go too. So those were my Christmas projects. They're not quite finished, but they're going to be what they are because I ran out of time. And I will come back after the New Year's and make a full tutorial and show you how it's constructed. The decorations are going to be up to you. But beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Anyway, I hope you guys had a good holiday season.